Have you ever dreamed of something strange or fun? Have you ever woken up and thought, what was that? Have you ever wondered why our brain creates these stories while we sleep? Today, we will dive deep into the world of dreams and uncover how and why they happen. Every single night, even if you don't remember it, your brain is creating dreams. Dreaming is not random. It is actually an important function of the brain. It helps your mind process everything that happened during your day. Think about your day for a moment. All the conversations, emotions, stress, and memories you experienced. Your brain doesn't just forget them. Instead, it stores, organizes, and sometimes replays them while you sleep. Dreaming is your brain's way of sorting information. It decides what to keep and what to ignore. It connects new memories with old ones. And sometimes it even tries to solve problems in the background. Have you ever gone to sleep thinking about a problem and woke up with a solution? That's not magic. That's your brain working while you sleep. Dreams also help regulate emotions. If you felt stressed, anxious, or even excited during the day, your brain may replay these emotions in a dream, but it often changes the scenario into something symbolic or strange. For example, instead of dreaming about a real-life argument, you might dream about being chased, or instead of feeling happy about success, you might dream about flying. Now let's understand how dreams actually happen. Dreaming mostly occurs during a stage of sleep called REM sleep, which stands for rapid eye movement. During this stage, your brain becomes highly active. In fact, it can be almost as active as when you are awake. At the same time, your body becomes very still. This is because your brain temporarily blocks your muscles from moving. This prevents you from acting out your dreams in real life. Inside your brain, millions of neurons are firing rapidly. These electrical signals create images, sounds, and sensations. Your brain takes pieces of memories and turns them into a full experience. That's why dreams can feel so real. You are not just watching them, you are inside them. But here's the interesting part. Dreams are not perfectly logical. Your brain mixes things in unusual ways. Places, people, and events can combine in ways that don't make sense in reality. You might be in your house, then suddenly in a different country. You might talk to someone you haven't seen in years, or you might do things that are impossible in real life. This happens because the logical part of your brain becomes less active during dreams, while the emotional and creative parts become stronger. That's why dreams feel emotional, creative, and sometimes completely bizarre. Now, why do we sometimes enjoy dreams so much? The answer is simple. In dreams, there are no limits. You can fly, you can explore unknown worlds, you can achieve things instantly. Your brain creates experiences without the restrictions of reality, and at the same time, it releases chemicals that make you feel emotions deeply. That's why a happy dream can feel incredibly real, and sometimes even better than real life. But not all dreams are good. Sometimes we experience nightmares. Nightmares are often linked to fear, stress, or unresolved emotions. They are your brain's way of processing negative experiences. Even though they can feel uncomfortable, they still serve a purpose. They help your brain understand and release negative emotions. Now, here's something interesting. Not everyone remembers their dreams. In fact, most dreams are forgotten within minutes after waking up. This happens because the part of the brain responsible for memory is less active during dreaming. But you can train yourself to remember more dreams. One simple way is to write them down immediately after waking up. Even small details can help. Over time, you will start noticing patterns. recurring places, people, or emotions, and this can give you a deeper understanding of your thoughts and feelings. So next time you go to sleep, remember this. Your brain is not just resting, it is working, organizing, creating, and exploring. Dreams are not meaningless. They are a window into your mind. And maybe, just maybe, they are one of the most fascinating things about being human. If you made it to the end, you're really interested. Drop a like and subscribe so we can keep this journey going.